Hi Kat and Tin, Ma'am Shi here. Ayan, maluto ng ating miswa with dumplings at saka siomay. And lalagyan din natin siya ng eggs. Yan. Sana magustuhan ni Papsi ang ating miswa soup with siomay and dumplings. Lord, patuloy mo po kaming patnubayan. Keep us safe. Lagi ka pong dyan, embracing us para ma-overcome namin ang pandemic na to and we can go back to our normal lives. Makikita po rin namin si Tin and Cathy either going here in the Philippines o kami visiting them in UAE. Lagi lang po tayong mag-pray, trusting the Lord. Huwag po tayong mawala ng hope. Lagi po tayong mag-pray, pray, and hope for a better future for all of us. Lagi nating isipin yung maganda, yung positive, kaysa po dun sa nakakalungkot at nakaka-depress po. Let's think of positive ways, yung mga sweet memories natin in the past, yung mga travels natin, bonding time. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.